mechanism of joint ministerial commission and the inter-government commission. We've also agreed to activate the joint working groups between Pakistan and Tajikistan. We've agreed for timely and expeditious completion of CASA 1000, and we feel this is a project that will benefit not just Tajikistan and Pakistan, but the entire region. We also feel that rail and road connections between Pakistan and Central Asian republics will enhance economic integration and give us the regional connectivity that is required to promote investments and trade between Pakistan and this region. The discussions that we had gives more clarity to Pakistan and Tajikistan that our engagement and cooperation at the UN, at OIC, SCO, and ECO will become more constructive and cooperative in the days ahead. He has entrusted the two foreign ministers and the foreign ministries to work out dates for his visit to Islamabad. He has sent warm regards to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Prime Minister Imran Khan, and is keenly desirous of his connection with him and talking to him for a meaningful discussion on regional issues, bilateral issues when he visits Islamabad in the near future. He also feels that this is the most appropriate time because Pakistan and Tajikistan would be celebrating 30 years of our diplomatic relations. We also discussed Afghanistan and the future of Afghanistan, how we can collectively promote peace and stability in Afghanistan, and how that will help us as neighbors of Afghanistan, Pakistan and Tajikistan, immediate neighbors of Afghanistan. If things improve, we are beneficial. Both are beneficiaries of any stability and improvement in Afghanistan. I'm going back to Pakistan satisfied, more than satisfied, and jubilant from this visit of mine. Thank you.